Hey, what's up? Today we're checking out the Jordan 1 Zoom Air Comfort and a Travis keychain and a social club cap. You might like it.
Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up.
First things first, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit that little like button. I'm gonna break into these Air Jordan 1 Zoom Air Comfort. They say air twice. I don't get it. It's just whatever. And they're abbreviating the text a little bit, I think, on the name. This is such a long name. It's a crazy long name. Now, I did open a pair of these shoes, the Bayou Boys colorway. This one right here. Really dope shoe. I got these in a 10.5. It's kind of snug on me. I'm regularly a 10.5. So, yeah, a little bit tight. I did get these green ones in a size 11. There's like 3 different colors of green on here. Stadium green, ghost green. Okay, so we got 2 different colors of green on here. Right out of the box, you can see they've got that more recycled look to their Nike box. You know, Nike, Adidas, all these brands, Allbirds. There's a bunch of great brands out there that are trying to use repurposed materials and just do more, you know, zero carbon emission creation for sneakers. The world is going a little bit crazy because we need to start taking care of it. We've really been tearing it apart and just neglecting it, you know, not thinking about earth health. But yeah, so hopefully we're moving more on track. A lot of the items I buy, I'm trying to buy ethically made and everything like that. They're making great strides. Still have farther to go, but hey, here's the label on the box. I'll try not to breach to you too much. I'll try to just show you, you know, the sneakers. But yeah, kind of a nice box. It's sort of a throwback to the 1985 red and black box. It's got that black stripe there, so it's sort of like a Jordan 1 box. Underneath, it is set up just like the last Air Comfort that I got, with this strip of cardboard just going across. Has all that Air Jordan branding on there. And then it talks about the shoes, so you know all about it. You have your sole itself, but you have your insole, your Zoom Air. I don't know why I didn't take it out of here and look at this one. I mean, this colorway is really dope. I do like that green on the bottom. But we'll look at this one. It does have this Z all over the paper here. And then here we go. Here's the shoe. So I guess that's why they have the 2 different colors of green on the description, because you do have this green on the bottom, which is not the same. Not quite the same. I like this green a little bit better. This is a lot more white. This one has a lot more yellow to the tint. It looks like taffy, like something you want to eat. That's the color. This color, not so munchy. More has a yellowish feel to it, but it works with this green because this is more of a standard green, but not even. It's, yeah, that stadium green. So you can see how bright that stadium green is compared to the 2003 Dunks that I've had sitting for a little while. Actually, should probably clean these. Could be a little bit better, but anyways, this green's a lot lighter. The Nike swoosh is just the outline with this denim, this white denim that we got. Basically, this white denim is going all the way. It's on the toe. It's on the other side. You got some black denim behind this leather piece here. Yeah, I can't even tell. If this is leather, then it's backed with some felt. So it's like double layered if it's not actually leather. But yeah, you have 3 layers. So you got your leather layer, your denim with a little bit of foam backing, and then some mesh with some foam backing in there. And then in the tongue, you got your 2 pieces there. They're supposed to hug your ankle really nice and make it feel just like there's nothing there or whatnot. And then you got your padded pieces on the inside of the ankle as well. Bunch of padding in there. Look at all this. Just loads of padding in there. And then obviously you've got your info tag, sizing, your little zoom hiding under there. Yeah, you get your rubber and the foam on the inside that's really squishy. And they said something about the insole. Okay, I'm trying to get this insole out of here, but it's super glued down, crazy glued down. Can't get it out of there, so we're not gonna be able to see all the air unit stuff, but they got a bunch of stuff working to make this shoe cutting edge and extremely comfortable. So I'll throw it on and we'll see how it fits. basically perfectly. Definitely size up half a size for the Air Jordan 1 Zoom Comforts. Unless you want a super snug fit and you just want to feel it hugging your toes and everywhere around your foot. There's literally so much cushioning everywhere on this foot. You probably could go true to size, and then as you wear them, you know, they'll break in and be the perfect, you know, shape for your foot. Me sizing a half size up makes it so that when I slide them on brand new, they feel amazing. My foot also is a little bit wide for Jordan 1s. It seems like they are more narrow right here where the laces start, the end of the toe box. So I would definitely consider sizing up half if you want. The standard, like, you know, like the shadows or the silver toe or the 2.0 court purples, I can just do a 10.5. They fit pretty nice. But for the Jordan 1 Zoom Comforts, size up half. Same with the Dunks for me. Dunk highs, for some reason, it just seems like they're a little bit tighter even in the Jordan 1s. And so I go to a size 11 on those. That is your sizing info on these. So dope. Oh man, such a great look. And one other thing, I didn't even realize the tongue actually only has denim up until like halfway, and then it's this nice regular material for your tongue that, yeah, I don't know, it slides nice. Your laces can get into their spots a little bit easier than rubbing against this denim and the coloring, everything that can happen. But I'm gonna get into those other two items. We have this cap. I've really needed a tan or olive or brown cap for a lot of my new fits. So this Antisocial Social Club, ASSC, they had collaboration. Paranoid. Yeah, this is dope. That Paranoid is a little bit tinier than I was expecting. I'm actually okay with that. It's almost smaller than the text over here. Antisocial Social Club on the side. But yeah, just a regular thin floppy hat. The dad cap look. You have your undercover on this side. Has that Antisocial Social Club. And then your Paranoid. Fight the paranoia. You do have this tag on here. You just bend that sucker and boom. Your tag's out. What do we got for tagging on this? Anything? Not really. Doesn't look like it. We have no care instructions. We have no idea where this hat was produced. We don't know where it was made, what it's about, except for that it's paranoid and it's not social, and it's part of the club for not being social. Wait a second. Is this almost looks like it's gray, but put it against this, it looks more green. Like against this shirt, I don't know. It's messing with me. It looks like it's gonna be a tiny bit bigger than my Astroworld hat I'm wearing now, which is nice. I got a ton of hair, it's grown out. My hair is so unruly, it's crazy. And there's so many flyaway string all over this hat. Be cleaning that off first couple of wears. You guys can check out my gray hair, right? But this one comes down a tiny bit more than this Astroworld hat did. So it's not a super small dad cap. It's actually a decent size. Might not fit everybody, but yeah. It's a one size. So last thing I'm gonna open up is the Cactus Jack Fulfillment Center item. I think I just had him send the items as they become available because I didn't want to wait for like 20 weeks until everything is finally ready and they send it all to me. So things have been slowly trickling in. As you noticed from some of my past videos, you can subscribe, go to my channel, check it out. Some of the other Travis Scott items I've unboxed. This is from his motocross. We have the Dune Runner keychain. So here's your text on here. Dune Runner. Here's our little fella. Just some plastic up here. Fold it over. In here, you can already see right away. You see that Cactus Jack? You see it? It's on there. Little tiny logo. It's basically on this guy's tongue. So that's kind of cool. It's just like a jelly thing. Just a jelly keychain. And I just added it to my order. I thought it was kind of dope. So, yeah, there you go. There's the dude. Look at that face. I really kind of wondered if Travis actually drew this dude. I feel like maybe he did. It looks like something he would draw. You guys let me know. I mean, maybe you are from Houston, you live there, you know more about Travis than I do. I mean, I'm just up here in Montana by myself. Just the internet and my friends online are like where I get a lot of my info. But anyways, I'm still going at it strong. I still work a full-time job, work a ton of overtime at my job, just delivering mail door to door. I'm also an inventor, so I've been working on this game. I haven't been keeping everybody totally on track with where I'm at, but basically our patent is filed, so now we're patent pending. I just put an order in this week for some prototypes, some new prototypes. Our first prototypes we had to like do before the patent and like test it out to see if the game was even going to be fun for people to play. It's like a card game. You play at a table, up to 8 players, and everybody we gave the game to, the first prototype, really enjoyed it. So we spent the 20 grand of my hard-earned money and Abby's hard-earned money. She did a lot of work to talk to all the lawyers for the patent and everything like that. But anyways, so we have our trademark in, we have our patent in, so now we just are waiting for that prototype to get in for the final product, how it's gonna potentially look. You know, I guess it's not final product quite yet, but yeah, so we're gonna start small and see how we can grow it, just see what happens. It's really exciting, really fun. It's my first ever real big dive into inventing something and actually getting the patent and everything like that. So I've always been a creative person, always creating my whole life. I create t-shirts in my garage. Is this one right here? This is the continents here, and I care about the whole globe. We really need to be concerned about every single life on Earth, every single plant that's living. Like, I'm talking every single life, not just humans. Literally, we need to be thinking about the air, we need to think about the water, we need to be thinking about everything living is important. Seeing the earth, seeing the continents, and like on my arm I have this tattoo, and so I guess it kind of goes along with it, but just seeing the earth and being aware of it, so every moment of every day that I have to live, I can try and make conscious decisions to make this world better than when I left it. So, I mean, that's a tall task, and I'm not always thinking about it. I'm not always that good at it. So we can all slowly be better and better, be more mindful. And as we're more mindful, over time, we'll create those more positive habits, and they'll just be more reinforced as we continue to promote it in our own lives. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Let me know what you think about these Jordan 1 Zoom Comforts. If you like this paranoid hat, what you think about this keychain. I mean, it's a pretty fun keychain. It looks kind of cool, so let me know, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Might have a party in the hood. Ain't work but a snack, won't try to get a pill. Ever since it changed my life, I'ma walk that walk, boy, trying to get it right. Trying to do right now. If it's working.